Hey guys, so I'm going to go ahead and just go over some announcements real quick for today. Today we're just going to do 3 and 4 of the lines and angles assignment. And just a reminder that assignment is going to be due the 8th. We should get through all of the sections today, so you should be able to turn that in early. But if you don't, just remember that it's due Monday, March 8th. We have 30 more days left of the term. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and just open up this assignment. And remember, we are working on section 3 and 4. Oops, there we go. My computer is just not working with me, of course. Okay, so for 8, 9, and I believe 10, one important thing that you need to know is that a straight line, even though it doesn't look like it has an angle, it does, and that straight line has an angle of 180 degrees. So all straight lines have an angle of 180 degrees. So that means that we can find a missing angle of a straight line if we know like the other angle. Okay, so we have the straight line right here. We know it's going to be 180 degrees. We know that this angle right here is 39 degrees, and we know that this missing angle will add up to 180 if we add these two together. So that means that we just have to take 180 minus our known angle, 39, and that'll be our answer. Or because I am a social studies teacher and not a math teacher, I'm going to go ahead and just type that into my calculator. So I know the straight line's 180. I know I have 39 degrees right here. So that means this missing one will be 141. If I add those two up, they equal 180. All right, same thing with this one down here. I know the straight line will add up to be 180. I know I have 157 right here, so I just need to figure out how many degrees this will be until I get to 180. So take 180 minus 157. Okay, these ones right here are also going to be very similar. The sum of the angle in a triangle will always be 180. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle will always equal 180 degrees. Now you might look at this and be like, but they are only giving me one angle. How am I supposed to figure that out? Just remember that this little box right here, that represents 90 degrees. The mathematician just got lazy and decided that they were going to use this symbol instead of like marking out 90 degrees. So just know that we have 90 right here, 35 right here. And we know that whatever this one is, it's going to help these two other angles add up to 180. So that means you need to take 180, subtract your known angles, which is 35 and 90, and we're left with 55. All right, so that would be your answer for number 11. I'll give you a quick hint about number 12. These two angles are the same, and the reason why we know that is because the problem is saying like, look, this one is x and this one is x. They're the same thing. It's like they're identical twins. Okay, so you would take 180 minus 118 and then divide that number by 2, and that would be your answer. If you guys have any questions, remember my contact information is at the bottom of that Google Classroom post.